Hello and welcome to my channel Arje Krakow and Poland Experience. We are in Jodłowa 13th Street where Zamek is existing. It was built on 1940 during the World War II by the Germans and we are going to explore it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos, and I hope that you will put your comments below and like this video. This is the tower. Currently I cannot enter because there is some wedding inside, but let's go to the actual Zamek Zinner or Zimmer Castle. So we have entered this Zamek. It has an history of being one of the pleasure house for the Nazis who occupied Poland during World War II. And we are in the balcony, which will give us the ability to have a panoramic view of all the surroundings. So we can see the Wisła, the river Wisła over here. I can see that they have brought some hanging statues, which are also available if you are going to the Bridge of Keys. It's an amazing view. Amazing. I hope that you have enjoyed this short video. Today is the 22nd of February 2025. Wishing you all a wonderful and pleasant Saturday. And we'll see you on the next video. Enjoy!